Are you tired of hunting for a reliable wet-dry vacuum that actually cleans up tough messes? Don't worry, today we're cutting through the clutter to bring you the best options that deliver real cleaning power. Today, I'm going to be going over the best wet-dry vacuums that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Stanley SL18116P. From the moment you unbox it, this model communicates serious capability with a sturdy feel and practical, professional-oriented design. Its 6-gallon tank promises ample capacity for mid-sized cleanup tasks without frequent emptying, appealing to homeowners and workshop hobbyists. The Stanley SL18116P targets DIYers, car enthusiasts, and small contractors who need portability plus reliable suction. This vacuum's build quality combines a rugged plastic body with a robust metal wand assembly, delivering confidence during aggressive cleanup sessions. Compact dimensions allow easy storage under benches, while the contoured handle and fit into trunks or cabinetry with surprising ease. Its roughly 6 by 11 by 9 inches footprint remains unobtrusive, and the included wheels glide smoothly across concrete and carpet. The motor delivers dependable suction for wet and dry debris, supplemented by an efficient cyclone path to minimize clogs and maximize airflow. A 3-stage filtration system helps trap fine dust and particles, preserving motor health and improving exhaust air quality during cleanup. The hose and attachments provide flexible reach, with a 1.75-inch diameter hose and multiple nozzles including a crevice tool and floor brush. During real-world testing on workshop spills, it maintains steady suction across liquids and dry debris, delivering dependable results. Noise level stayed within typical shop vac ranges, allowing conversation without yelling, while the filter path remained accessible for quick maintenance. In terms of airflow and suction consistency, the unit demonstrated reliable peak performance under heavy debris loads and sustained operation over longer tasks. Compared to the DeWalt DXV07S, the Stanley SL18116P offers similar suction, but a larger capacity and lower price. The pros include excellent portability, durable construction, and a comprehensive accessory kit that covers most cleaning scenarios, simplifying setup and storage. The cons include moderate noise under heavy use, and a relatively short power cord that can hamper longer cleanup sessions. At number 4, we have the Craftsman CMXEVBE17250. From the moment you unbox, this compact unit signals value for home workshop enthusiasts seeking reliable cleaning power and versatile cleanup options. It's targeted at hobbyists, crafters, and small shops needing a dependable tool without professional-grade bulk, maximizing convenience and straightforward usability. For budget-conscious buyers, the Craftsman CMXEVBE17250 promises essential suction power with a compact footprint, avoiding excessive setup time and frustration. Its portability is enhanced by wheels and a narrow body that fits into tight workspaces and car trunks with ease. The build quality feels sturdy with a durable plastic shell and reinforced connection points that resist everyday garage mishandling. Its compact dimensions strike a balance between capacity and portability, measuring roughly a modest footprint suitable for shelving. This model supports both wet and dry cleanup, making it versatile for spills, dust, and debris across multiple job sites. A pop-out hoses and ergonomic wand provide extended reach without sacrificing suction efficiency during longer cleanups and tight corners. The filtration system uses a simple, easy-to-clean filter design that minimizes clogging and makes maintenance quick. In practical testing, it demonstrates surprisingly strong suction on both dry debris and light watery spills when moved across surfaces. It handles pet hair and shop dust with consistent suction, though longer sessions reveal the need to empty the dust canister more frequently. Overall performance shows dependable everyday cleanup capability, delivering noticeable results in garages, studios, and DIY workshops without professional equipment. In a direct comparison with the Bissell CrossWave All-in-One, the Craftsman CMXEVBE17250 emphasizes rugged reliability and simpler maintenance. The pros include affordable price, durable build, and wet and dry versatility that covers most home shop cleanup scenarios with confidence. The cons include limited accessories and heavier weight, which can affect handling and overall value when comparing to lighter rivals. At number 3, we have the Bissell 3888AA. From the moment you unbox it, the compact form factor signals clear intent toward garage, workshop use, and everyday mess mitigation. For the target audience, DIY enthusiasts and small shop operators, its lightweight design promises one-handed operation without excessive fatigue. The shell combines rugged polycarbonate with reinforced joints, delivering confidence when dragging across benches and occasional drops during frantic cleanup sessions. Its dimensions stay compact enough for garage shelves yet long enough to reach under vehicles, maximizing usable space during routine cleanup. The built-in handle design provides balanced weight distribution, reducing fatigue during extended cleaning sessions and improving overall maneuverability. A multi-surface nozzle adapts from smooth garage floors to carpeted patches, maintaining consistent suction thanks to a calibrated airflow path. The filtration system uses a sealable chamber and washable filter, reducing dust recirculation while simplifying maintenance between projects. A detachable blower port doubles as a dust vac for crevices, expanding cleaning reach beyond conventional vacuuming tasks. In real-world testing, it handles light spills rapidly and maintains consistent performance during extended sessions without significant loss of suction. During workshop cleanup, the device demonstrated confident debris pickup and quick debris release into a bin, minimizing overall cleanup time. Noise levels hovered around moderate loudness, with most users noting acceptable sound during routine tasks, though not silent as premium models. Runtime for continuous heavy use remains adequate for a handheld model, though extended carpet duties demand intermittent breaks to cool the system. In a direct comparison with the Dyson V11, the Bissell 388AA offers budget-friendly practicality but lags in cordless agility. The pros include excellent durability, versatile attachments, and compact storage. The cons include noisy operation and short hose length. At number 2, we have the Armor All AA155. From the moment you unbox it, this compact unit signals serious value for small garages and car-loving households seeking versatile cleanup. Its textured grip and intuitive controls reduce fatigue during long sessions, making it approachable for both casual homeowners and weekend detailers. The AA155 is particularly appealing to vehicle owners and hobbyists who need a reliable, all-purpose cleaner for interiors and trunks. Constructed with a rugged ABS housing and a reinforced nozzle, the AA155 feels durable enough to endure frequent trips around tight spaces. Its compact footprint measures roughly 14 inches tall with a 2-inch profile, allowing easy storage in cabinets and cramped trunk compartments. The included hose and nozzle attachment provide flexible reach, while a sealed lid helps minimize leaks during transport. Power configuration uses a standard motor and filtration system designed to handle both wet spills and dry debris without performance drop. A built-in rinse-capable filter resets quickly, helping maintain suction and prolong filter life during routine detailing sessions. In real-world testing, it demonstrated strong suction on car mats and upholstery while resisting clogging after damp spills. On tougher debris like gravel and grit, the AA105 maintained consistent performance with minimal downtime, showcasing dependable airflow and recovery. Compared to the DeWalt DCV517, the AA155 offers more versatile attachments and better spillage handling for automotive interiors. The pros include strong suction, versatile attachments, and easy maintenance. The cons include higher price and larger footprint. In terms of value, the AA155 sits between budget models and premium setups, offering more versatility at a modest premium. If you need a dependable wet-dry vac for car interiors and light shop tasks, the AA155 remains a capable, practical choice. At number 1, we have the Vacmaster VBVB611PF. Designed for busy workshops and garages, this Vacmaster model targets serious cleanup tasks while remaining approachable for DIYers seeking dependable power. It weighs about 16 pounds with a balanced center of gravity, ensuring it feels portable enough for quick job site moves. Durable shell combines impact-resistant plastics with a metal frame, and its dimensions roughly 18 by 12 by 14 inches for compact storage. Its design emphasizes easy access controls and tool integration, reducing downtime during cleanup and improving workflow efficiency across trades. Storage and accessory arrangement keeps hoses, nozzles, and wands organized, enabling quicker transitions between floor cleaning and detail work without clutter. The motor delivers high-efficiency suction along with a thermal relief system that guards against overheating during extended cleanup sessions. Feature highlights include a rugged hose reel, a wide variety of nozzles, and a sealed canister that minimizes dust escape during disposal. The canister seals effectively and resists dust leakage while emptying, helping maintain overall indoor air quality and cleaner job sites. In controlled testing, the Vacmaster VBVB611PF cleared fine dust with minimal filter loading, proving consistent performance across both workshop concrete and wood debris. Noise was noticeable but remained within acceptable workshop levels, reducing fatigue and preserving communication during multi-person cleanup sessions. The flexible hose and wand reach provide extensive cleaning radius, letting you switch between floors and elevated surfaces without constant repositioning. Compared to a popular competitor, the Vacmaster VBVB611PF delivers stronger sustained suction with easier disposal and a noticeably quieter operation. The pros include robust build, long service life, and excellent hose reach, translating into tangible daily efficiency gains and cost effectiveness. The cons include higher price and bulkier profile, which may deter budget-conscious buyers seeking lighter, more compact alternatives.